and Commander-in-Chief Armed Forces of the Philippines, His Excellency Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr.
Today we are gathered for the Major Services Officer Candidate Course Joint Graduation Ceremony. This marks a significant occasion as we celebrate not just an end, but the commencement of the vital roles that you, our graduates, will play within the Armed Forces of the Philippines. Mr. President, sir, may I just inform you that today there are 610 who will be graduating, 362 from the Cataraquian Class 61-2024 of the Army, 173 from the Sigmandigan Class 2024, and 75 from the Mangisalakan Class 42-2024. No? Sana tama yung pagbanggit ko ng mga napakahirap. Anyway, on behalf of the Armed Forces of the Philippines, I extend my heartfelt congratulations to the graduates, but more especially to your parents and your loved ones. So once again, welcome to the joint graduation ceremony of the Major Services Officer Candidate Course. Mabuhay ang sandatang lakas ng Pilipinas, mabuhay ang Pilipinas, mabuhay tayong lahat.
Thank you to the Chief of Staff, Armed Forces.
As the Commander of the Training Command, Philippine Army, I hereby declare the 362 members of the Philippine Army Officer Candidate Course, Class 61, Cataraquian, 2024, graduates effective this date. Congratulations.
For the Philippine Navy, may we call on Lieutenant Commander Brian Joy P. Africa, Philippine Navy, Commandant of the Philippine Navy Officer Candidate School. They shall be followed by the Declaration of Graduates by Rear Admiral Joe Anthony C. Orbe, Philippine Navy, Commander of the Naval Education, Training and Doctrine Command, Philippine Navy.
To present to you the 65 strong members of the Naval Officer Candidate Course, Masing Salakan, Class 42, 2024, who satisfied the requirements of the course, recommend that they be declared graduates effective this date.
By the authority vested in me as the Commander of the Naval Education, Training and Doctrine Command, I hereby declare the 75 members of the Philippine Navy Officer Candidate Course, Mangisalakan Class 42-2024, graduates effective this date. Congratulations.
For the Philippine Air Force, may we call on Colonel Peter George R. Gelicame, Philippine Air Force, Master in National Security Administration, Commandant of the Philippine Air Force Officer Candidate School. They shall be followed by the Declaration of Graduates by Major General Eric A. Gatchalian, Philippine Air Force, Commander, Air Education, Training and Doctrine Command, Philippine Air Force.
Sir, I have the honor to present to you 173 strong members of the Philippine Air Force Officer Candidate Course, Sigmandigan Class of 2024, who have satisfied the requirements of the course. Recommend that they be declared graduates.
By the authority vested in me as the Commander of Air Education, Training and Doctrine Command, I hereby declare the 173 members of the Philippine Air Force Officer Candidate Course, Sigmandigan Class 2024 graduates effective this date. Congratulations.
Thank you very much to the commanders.
Ladies and gentlemen, new graduates, the President and the Commander-in-Chief of the Armed Forces of the Philippines, His Excellency Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr.
Thank you to our Defense Secretary, Secretary Gilbert Chidoro Jr. Please take your seats. the AFP Chief of Staff, General Romeo Browner Jr., the other major service commanders here present, officers, enlisted personnel, and civilian employees of the Armed Forces of the Philippines, and of course, the 2024 graduating class of the Major Services Officers Candidate Course. Distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, good morning. Your graduation day today signifies the culmination of your determination, sacrifice, and hard work to overcome the challenges of becoming an officer of the Armed Forces of the Philippines. This marks the beginning of your role to ensure the defense of our nation and the safety of all Filipinos. As I stand before you here today, I am very proud to know that the future of our nation's defense and peace lies in capable and honorable hands. Ngunit bago natin bigyang pugay ang mga nagsitapos, kilalanin muna natin ang mga tahimik ngunit matatag na taga-suporta na laging nasa likod ng kanilang tagumpay. Sa pamilya at mahal sa buhay ng ating mga nagsipagtapos, maraming salamat sa inyong walang sawang pagmamahal at pagsusuporta sa inyong mga anak. We also remember the trainers, the mentors who guided all of these graduates on their journey towards becoming officers of the major services of the AFP. The lessons and guidance that you have provided will be the light in the challenges that lie ahead before these new officers. To our awardees, congratulations on your achievements, and thank you for being an inspiration to your fellow officer candidates. May these awards encourage you to excel in your duties and become even more dedicated to serving our beloved Philippines. Your achievements and success are your contributions to nation building. Let this be your guiding principle as you step forward. In the face of evolving threats and modern warfare, innovation, technical expertise, and leadership rooted in service will be your most powerful weapons. To all the members of the AFP, be assured that this administration remains committed to transforming our AFP into a world-class force that is a source of national pride and national security. This transformation begins with investing in our people, in their talents, the specialists, the leaders who will bridge the gap between tradition and innovation. We will modernize your equipment, enhance your training programs, ensure that you are equipped to face challenges not just of today, but also of the future. Because together, we build an AFP that will stand as a beacon of strength, of alliance, resilience, and technological excellence. Lagi natin alalahanin na ang bawat hamon ay bahagi ng mas dakilang layunin. Sa bawat hakbang, ang inyong serbisyo ay hindi lamang tungkulin. Ito ay panata para sa bayan. Isang handog para sa bawat Pilipino na umaasa sa inyong husay, tapang, dangal, at malasakit. To the Philippine Army Class, Katarikayan. Philippine Navy Class, Mangisakalan. Ang pahirap ng pahirap makahanap ng class dahil naunahan na kayong lahat. But you are showing very good imagination with all of this. Air Force Class, Sigmandigan. Maligayang pagtatapos sa inyong lahat. Maraming salamat sa pagtanggap sa hamong makapagsilbi sa ating minamahal na Pilipinas. Saan man kayong maitalaga, naway maglingkod kayo ng may kahusayan, katapatan at karangalan. Together, through solidarity and purpose, we will create a stronger, safer, and more prosperous bagong Pilipinas. Muli, binabati ko kayong lahat at naway magkaroon tayo ng masaya at mapayapang Pasko at bagong taon. Maraming salamat sa inyo lahat. Maraming salamat sa inyong serbisyo. Congratulations. Mabuhay ang bagong Pilipinas.
Thank you, Mr. President.